did you enjoy the show? Did you enjoy the show? Thank you so much. And I'm going to check all that out. We actually have a huge meeting tomorrow. Uh, Actually, about 3 or 4 meetings tomorrow, and we're going to start working on this. The first video confession. I told Tina I heard one tell his chat, those others can deal with you. I know, and then right after that, we've already got all that, and we're working with the right people, so we're gonna take them all down. You know, some people like to order it done, and they sit back and wait, and they want it done. They have their little groupies and stuff do it. Watch what happens. You see, it's already backfiring on you because we're inside already. They just don't know it. We're inside already. They don't know it. Candus, yes, I have been watching. When I hear that woman tell her story, I cried. It's a very, very crazy deal, Candus. And I'm telling you, what we went through in 2019 going into 2020 with that is just, it's unheard of. It's unheard of. And wait till you hear part 2 when the rescues and stuff. She's a nurse at a hospital. You know, that's whatever it is. But we're going to take them down. How many people in here will help us? Will gather our information. Will stand by us when we do this. I'm not asking no money, but how many people can I trust that can say, hey, I'm with you. I'm with you. How many people would do that? Who is with me? Who is with us? Thank you. That means a lot, guys. That means so much. That means so much. I've reached out to a big owner, and we're working something out right now because he would give me the money to get the lawyer, and then if we sue for enough to get all of it, and then take control of everything, and then go ahead and be able to pay him back or let his money be off the top or something like that. But it does. Anonymous is awesome, and Anonymous was talking in our chat last night, and that meant a lot to me. Meant a lot to me. He was asking me questions, and I appreciate that. Thank you guys. Thank you. I just contacted YouTube. I'm sick of it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I know that I promised Prayer Garden. I promised Prayer Garden at 9 o'clock. I really want to watch her stuff. I want to watch Prayer Garden stuff. I wanted to do a 2-hour deal with this and bring in a lot of light that what we're doing. I've got others that's out there we're reaching out to, and we're bringing our cases back. And some of these cases, guys, as you see, all I can say is Benny burnt his bridge. Yeah, Candus, he did. He burned his bridge big time. But remember, guys, we the people will protect the children at all cost. Now, we're going to organize tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be an organizing day. I'm going to get off and I'm going to pretty much get some files, watch some YouTube, and just see what's going on, and let's just see where they're at with everything. And I'm going to have to make that phone call that I didn't ever want to make, and I'm going to do it right now. So we're going to get it taken care of before it even starts. So I appreciate you guys, and anybody got any information on what's going on with that, please let me know, because well, my court date is on the my court's on the 28th. My court date's on the 28th, but they talked something 24th. So we'll find out what's going on. Like I said, we'll find out what's going on. I reach out to the right people, and they know what's going on too. And maybe they're just waiting to see if they're going through with. If they're going through with it, I'm going to capitalize. We're going to capitalize on it. So exactly. We already got a call from people from Shelby's, from my brother, where he's in jail at. It's because they're exploiting their jail and exploiting the situation with him. They're going to work. We're working on something with that now too. And the person who is actually putting his stuff on live, they're saying that that's against policy, what they're doing. So I'll know more about that tomorrow when the wardens and stuff maybe give me a call back and see what's going on with that. So much respect, guys. If you guys want to donate to the people on panel tonight, right there it is, $C Waterman 85. I'm sure they'll appreciate everything. Thank you, guys. To order shirts and hoodies from Predator Hunter Nation. Predator Hunter Nation. And Jamie, it ain't my lips that's cut. I really do spit blood up, okay? There you go. For you non-believers. God damn. Give me a towel. Oh, God dang it. Damn it. Got blood everywhere. Finish this out. I'm done. I'm going to go. Okay. Guys, I'm just going to get off here. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. Much respect. God bless.